Hey everyone, you're watching me Vinayaka on VGS World. This is a quick unboxing video of a treadmill which I have ordered from Amazon India. This is from the brand Cult and the model is Fitkit FT98. This model comes in two different variants. One is with the massager and the other one is without the massager. The one which I have got here is without the massager. MRP of this treadmill is around 41,000 rupees and you will get it on offer on different e-commerce platforms like Amazon India and Flipkart. I'll leave the links in the description below. If in case you like the treadmill, please use our affiliate link to buy one for yourself. Before heading forward, if you're new to our channel or watching our videos regularly but haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe to our channel and support. Without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. See you in the next video. Bye bye.